You know that moment when you're just tired of the same old salads? That's exactly where I was until I discovered salad gourd, also known as bottle gourd or lauki. Stay with me, because this humble veggie is about to become your new health obsession. First, let's talk about what it is. Salad gourd looks a little funny. Long, pale green, and honestly, a bit odd at first glance. But slice it open, and you'll find a crisp, mild flesh that soaks up flavors beautifully. Now making a salad with it. Super simple. Just peel the gourd, scoop out any seeds, and cut it into thin slices or cubes. I love tossing it with chopped tomatoes, onions, a squeeze of lemon, a little salt, and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. That's it. Refreshing, hydrating, and ready in 5 minutes. But here's where it gets exciting. Salad gourd is over 90% water, so it keeps you hydrated and feeling light. It's packed with fiber, which helps your digestion, and it's low in calories, making it perfect for anyone watching their weight. Some say it can even help manage blood pressure and cool the body in hot weather. Bonus! So next time you're craving something new and nourishing, reach for a salad gourd. It's easy, delicious, and your body will thank you for it. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Here's to eating well and feeling amazing.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.